Alright, you've demanded it. Here it is. Modified John Deere Sabre with the brush guard, 11 horse Briggs versus Power Wheels Demolition Derby with my buddy Brandon driving. Wait for the camera. Go for it! Oh! Good one, good one. Yeah! There we go, there we go. Mighty Briggs. Aww. It's time for that one. Oh, the Sabre! Oh, man! Oh, oh. That's how you compact a car. Good Sabre. They still work. Sweet. Oh. Get on over there. Oh man! Oh, we were having fun. Carnage! Nice! Yeah! Sweet! Oh man. It's dead. Oh well. Damage report. Power wheels, four-wheeler, destroyed. Other power wheels, four-wheeler, destroyed. Some weird Barbie Jeep thing, totally obliterated. Kick it. Oh my god. Look at the steering wheel. I need a wheel! Oh man. That's just... Look at the pieces. Gas pedal. Sabre's back for more. Come on. Oh. Your pulley's grinding on that wheel. We're gonna have to pick it up and lift it off. It's just totally jammed up in there. There you go. Oh my god.
Hey, what about the battery box?
There's one Power Wheels quad battery box. And damage report to the Sabre. Lost the headlight lens. Grill's broken now. That hood pin came out and it's shattered. The mount bar that holds the hood is bent back and is now pushed further back into the dash. And all that nice black glossy paint's now white chalky plastic. Sweet. What do you think?
Good.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh well. Thanks for watching.